That's not a cat. What is that?
Dog.
Chase, what is yours?
Where's a dog?
Yours is a dog.
Oh,
No. Huh?
What is that?
a cat.
It's a squirrel.
A squirrel.
It says, "Happy birthday, love you, Morgan." What do you say?
Stop, Chase. You're gonna break it.
Chase, what do you tell Morgan?
This is for us.
Yes, it's for you, for Morgan.
Happy birthday, Morgan. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Morgan must love you, huh? Chase, don't break it, though.
Look.
You won't get to look at it anymore if you break it.
Happy birthday, Morgan.
Love, Morgan.
Mm-hmm. Love, Morgan.
Look at your look at your sister.
Thank you.
That was.
Yep. Did it?
Yes, it did.
Just don't break it. It's a squirrel.
You can play with it for a little while, then Mommy's going to put it up and keep it for you.
But not put it up. But Morgan breaks it already. That's why you can't put it up.
He broke it? Where did he break it?
On the message of it.
The message of it? The envelope, you mean?
Don't pull it like that, Chase. That's gonna break it.
But there's another squeal.
Yes, there is, but don't do that.
It's not as funny if you break it. It's funny looking at the way it is. You like your puppy dog, Soph?
But why I don't have another hand right there? I'm saying, hey, Sophie. I'm saying, hey, Sophie.
Yes, he is.
Because him love me.
He loves you.
I'm saying, I love Sophie. I'm saying him don't have another hand. Right there. Somebody broke.
Get off of the table.
I'm saying,
Is it broke?
I love Sophie. Who broke
I think it
him?
is.
Mm-hmm.
Who broke him?
I don't know.
I guess it was broken when he got it.
So, I love Morgan. I love Morgan. I love you. I love you, Morgan. Say, cause you bite me. Why you bite me? Why you bite me? Why you bite me? Oh, go bite me. This is nice envelope. This is nice squeal.
It's a nice squirrel.
And this is a nice dog.
It's a nice dog.
But it don't look like nice.
It is.
But
He
my
looks like a
dog-
silly squirrel, doesn't he?
Why?
Maybe he's nuts. He's crazy.
Why am not going to eat them nuts?
I don't know. He might. Don't pull it off.
But say to pull it off.
Say, don't pull it off.
Now pull off. Yes. You could bring it on.
It's-
What? That's his eyes. I don't like his eyes.